جی تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس، ریویو کے بعد اب باری آتی ہے اس چیپٹر کی ایکسرسائز سولو کرنے کی۔ ہم نے جو کچھ بھی سیکھا اب ہم اس سیکھے گئی چیزوں کو ان کویسچنز پہ امپلیمنٹ کرتے ہیں اور ان کویسچنز کو سولو کرتے ہیں۔ ایکسرسائز کویسچن اے، ٹک دی کریکٹ آنسر۔ دی کاپی آپشن از پریزنٹ ان دا ڈیش گروپ۔ آپشن اے کلپ بورڈ۔ ویئر از انڈو آپشن present? Option C, quick access toolbar. To select the text from the current position to the end of a line, press dash keys. Option B, shift plus end. Press the key to check the spelling and grammar in your document. Option C, F7. The spelling and grammar tool is present on the dash tab. Review. Question B. Write T for true and F for false in the given circles. Statement 1. The copy and paste commands are used to duplicate the text. True. Statement 2. A blue wavy line indicates grammatical mistakes, including misused words. True. Select the entire document. Control plus E combination. False. Thesaurus provides a list of synonyms and antonyms. True. The find option is used to locate a specific word or text in a document. True. Option C. Fill in the blanks. The dash command is used to reverse the last action performed. Undo. Making changes after typing the text in a document is called dash. Editing. Word has an inbuilt dictionary called dash. Thesaurus. Dash option is used to check spelling mistakes, spelling and grammar. Colorful and decorated text headings are created using dash. Word art. Question D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is editing? Making changes after typing the text in a document is called editing. We edit a document to insert text, copy text, delete text, move text, or fix mistakes. Question number 2. What are the uses of copy and paste option? The copy and paste commands are used to duplicate the text. We can copy text from one place to another within a document, or even from one document to another. Question number 3. What is the difference between undo and redo options? The undo command is used to reverse the last action performed, while the redo command is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y are the shortcut keys for undo and redo commands respectively. Question number 4. What is the use of spelling and grammar options? The spelling and grammar tool can help us produce error-free documents. For each error in our document, Word will try to offer one or more suggestions. Question number 5. What is the use of thesaurus option in Word 2019? MS Word has an inbuilt dictionary called thesaurus. Thesaurus gives words with similar and opposite meanings. In creativity skills, we will draw and color the logo of MS Word 2019 in our notebook. Project time میں ہم MS Word کو اوپن کریں گے اور یہ ٹیکسٹ کو ٹائپ کریں گے. Then edit the text according to these given instructions. Move the first paragraph after the second paragraph. Read the story carefully. Now search for the word frog and replace it with cat in the whole document. Correct all incorrect spellings using the spelling and grammar option. Save the file with the name story. Think and answer میں Your friend is unable to move the text MS Word document from one place to another after trying many times. What will you do? Explain your answer. And also prepare a chart on selecting text in MS Word 2019. Discuss with your class by dividing the class into 2 groups and conduct a group discussion on editing text in MS Word 2019. जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 3 MS वर्ड। हमने MS वर्ड पे अपने टेक्स्ट को एडिट करना, उसको मूव करना, कॉपी पेस्ट करना और उसमें से स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स को ठीक करना, ये सारे काम हमने सीखे और इसके मुतालिक हमने एक्सरसाइज भी सॉल्व की। कंप्यूटर पर काम करते वक्त एक बात का ध्यान रखें कि आप अपने पोस्चर को प्रॉपरली मेंटेन करें। मैं मिलूंगा आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ। तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।